Good everyone, my name is Graphics. If you look at the left hand side of the screen, you see a figure, that is the three views of a given figure, the front elevation, the plan and the end view, and we're told to use freehand sketch to assemble this figure in isometric projection. So what you do is just draw out a box. Since we're using isometric projection, just draw a box this way. You take your vertical line this way, and you take the horizontal line this way, incline that 30 degrees to the horizontal, right? And what do you notice? This is our lowest point X, meaning that this side you see here is longer. So I can just come here and I'll take it up, and I'll come here, I'll take it up. Then I'll just close them up this way. So we're only using our pencil, nothing else. So bringing out this box, the next thing that we'll be doing here is that we will start putting out our diagram. So this is the end elevation coming from this side, because here is the lowest point X, right? And going like this means moving from here to here. Is that taken? So what I'll do is I'll start from the end view. This part to this part is from here. I'll draw it down, taking it straight down. Then here also straight down, as you can see, to the points here. Then the thickness that you have there, this thickness is this thickness here, which is 15. You don't really need all those measurements. Let's say this is 15 here, and the plan is telling me that it is thick, it is going straight across this way. And here also is going straight across this way. Can you see that? And the other one is just coming down straight a little bit. Can you see that? And it's going straight down here too a little bit. Hope you can see that. Then it's moving straight down too from here to here. It's coming down. Then here also is going here. If you look at the elevation, this line you see is this line here. And here is coming down too from the elevation now. So this is the X, this X you're seeing. So we're moving front a little bit. And here also we're coming here a little bit. And this will now go in this manner. Can you see that? You can see that. And this will be going in, since it is 3D. Now we're not done. The next thing is, this is coming down a little bit. Let me just bring it down small with a faint line. And this is attached to this here. Then this is coming here this way. So what is going to happen is, there's an inclined line. If you look at it from the end view, there's an inclined line that is coming down, but it's not touching this side, because the plan is telling me there's a space here. So I'll just bring this down from here. I'll stop here. I'll bring this down from here too. I'll stop here. And I'll just close it up. I'll bring this one down. Then I'll come here this way. Hope you can see that. Then I can easily just stick in here. Just a freehand sketch. Hope you can see that. So this is what we have here. So this hidden line you see is this line going in. That's why I draw this going in this way. So this is just the freehand sketch. This is our point X here, right? So this is the freehand sketch of the given figure that is displayed at the left hand side of the screen. So just your pencil. So if you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.